This is the stuff of dreams. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma and today we are unboxing a 13 lakh rupee setup, upgrading my current desk setup into something which will completely blow your mind. So make sure that you watch till the end. My inner child has always dreamt of a setup like this and today it is finally happening. I want you to pause this video and tell me in the comment section what laptop, what monitor and what keyboard do you use at your desk setup. Before I unbox the new setup, let me actually show you the current one that we have. This whole setup is powered by this mammoth, this beast of a laptop. This is the MacBook Pro powered by the M4 Pro chip, and the highlight of it is the 16-inch laminated display along with the 48 GB RAM and the 2 terabyte storage. This laptop helps me edit all of my videos. I'm able to run all of my AI models on it, and this is my beast machine on the go that I'm using right now. Let's have a look at the current mechanical keyboard that we have. This is the Keychron K2 V2 mechanical keyboard. It served me well, but it's time for a massive upgrade, which we will come to in some time. Hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. The next one is the Logitech MX Master 3. I used to honestly dream of having a mouse like this and have been using it for 3-4 years now. Has worked really well for me in this setup. Then we have the iPad mini. This iPad is just really handy when I have to just take things on the go, when I have to watch some documentaries, when I have to note down some tasks, when I have to reply to some emails. I cannot have my laptop around with me. This works really well for exactly that. So let me place this right here. And with that, we also have the MIT mechanical clock that everyone in the comment section has asked me about. I got this from Boston. I visited MIT and I got to buy this. It was about 15,000 rupees and it looks really, really good. So that is the current setup. This standing desk, if you're curious, is from Greensoul. This has been in the house for about 3 years now and it works really well and has stood the test of time. And last item before we unbox our new setup is this AirPods Max headphones, which I've been using for the last 2 years now. It works really well for me, suits all of my needs. I can use it for working out, I can use it when I'm editing videos here, and I just love how it cuts out all of the outside noise and I'm able to focus on what I do best. And let's bring it on in 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look at this insane setup. Behind me is a 13 lakh setup sent to me by Apple. Let's have a look at each of these devices one by one and let's see what's in store for all of us to use. Let's start with the smallest among all, and that one is the Magic Mouse. I'm so used to the Logitech MX Master, but seeing it, it looks so simple. I've only seen it in videos, never actually had the chance to see it in person, but let me open it up. And this is 9,500 rupees. And there you have it, the Magic Mouse, the smallest from all of the devices that we have today. Let me keep it to the side and let's go on to the next one, which is the Magic Trackpad. I feel like the most underrated elements of all MacBooks I've used are their trackpads. Just love how big they are, how useful they are, and this one is no exception. Let me open it up right here, and this is what it looks like. Again, very simplistic, very minimal design, no shiny logos. They have this one branding at the back which says Apple, but that is pretty much all. And this right here, ladies and gents, is the Magic Trackpad from Apple. And this is 14,500 rupees. So we are definitely stepping up now. I think this is where you charge it. This is where you can turn it on and off. And that is basically all that you have in the Magic Trackpad. Let's keep going. The next element, let me see, is the Magic Keyboard. So this right here is the Magic Keyboard with the numeric pad with the Touch ID. Let me open it up right here. And this is what it looks like. It's very slim. I'm making sure that I don't break it. Let me put it to the side. And this is what the Magic Keyboard looks like. I'm used to mechanical keyboards and seeing this, it feels very minimal, simplistic. The The click is a little different from the mechanical keyboard that I've used to, but it also comes with the Touch ID sensor right here. So just like you have it on the MacBooks, the MacBook Air and the Pros, you also have it right here, enabling you to quickly access your laptop without having to enter the password all the time. Or in this case, this setup right here. So we'll use this in some time. This is 19,500 rupees. Let me put it to the side. Okay, we're done with the small things. Let's have a look at some bigger things in store, and starting with this MacBook Air. Now, I've already made a video on the MacBook Air. I've been using it for a month now, and this is just the best MacBook when you're outside, when you're on the go, when you have some tasks that you want to get done. This is honestly the best value for money Apple MacBook Air that you can purchase right now, powered by the M4 chip. Let me put it outside. This is what it looks like. Comes in this light sky blue color. This is 2,50,000 rupees. Now this MacBook Air M4 variant starts from 1 lakh rupees, and if you use your student discount, you can get it for cheaper, and it starts with a 16 GB RAM inside, which means more power, more multitasking, more productivity, and just more efficiency in general on this MacBook Air. I love how slim it is. Like, look at this. This is insane. This is what I'll be using when I'm outside on trips, things like that. So this is a great addition to the family of devices that I have. I want you to hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Now we have 2 more things left to unbox, and this is honestly the biggest of them all. Behind me is a studio display from Apple. Now let me tell you more about it as I open it up. So I'll bring it here. Okay, there you go. This is how you open the mighty studio display. And yes, this comes with the $1,000 stand as well. Now this particular monitor is a 27-inch 5K True Tone Retina display monitor right there. I think this is honestly the best, nicest looking screen I've ever seen. This right here is the studio display. Wow. It was not easy to open up this beast of a display, but this right here is the studio display. Let me open it up like that. Wow. I think this experience of opening an Apple device is consistent with everything that you open, be it your MacBook or your iPhone. And there you go. That is the display. This is how it looks like at the back. Okay, we have more stuff at the back. So you're supposed to open it up like this, and that opens up. Try opening this up. Okay, and that is how you open up the charging cable. This is one piece of aluminum all the way. This body of this monitor, wow, I just love it. I have no words. Let me turn it around. There you go. Those are the 3 USB-C ports, and it also comes inbuilt with a Thunderbolt port right here. This is the charging port, and let me see what else do we get. This is how thin it is. I think this is honestly amazing how much is packed in this one packet itself. Let me actually power this on. I had to literally go and find a bigger switchboard for this setup itself. I think this finally works now. Next up, let's unbox the mighty Mac Studio. Now I want you to guess how much is the price tag of this Mac Studio. It might look like a Mac Mini, but this is a powerhouse of a machine with a M3 Ultra chip, a 32-core CPU and a 80-core GPU, helping you do anything you want, from AI to doing graphics, doing 3D animation, pretty much anything that you can imagine. The RAM on this beast of a machine is 256 GBs. That's right, 256 GBs of RAM and 4 terabyte of storage. This Mac Studio is 8,39,900 rupees. This is the machine that we are about to unbox now. Let me pull this Let's see how does it work. Open it up. I just love how every Apple product is packaged. I'm a fan, honestly. Okay, I can see the Mac Studio inside, but we also have some reading material on the Mac Studio itself. So we'll keep that to the side. And let's have an actual look on this machine. So it says that I'm supposed to open it up like so. And it just opens up like this. Like, have a look at this. This is insane. And I can now, let me actually make sure I don't drop this. Let me take out this machine. Oh, wow. This is a very heavy CPU. I did not expect it to be that heavy. Okay, what else do we have? Let me put this to the side. We also have the power cord that we'll be using. Okay, let me put this to the side. This is the power cord itself. We'll use it in some time. And now let me just put this beautiful box. I don't even feel like throwing this because it just looks so nice. Like, this is how it was opened. Damn, let me try to close this now. Okay, and we should be able to close it just like that. Insane. Let me put this to the side. Okay, let's do the final unboxing of this video, and that is this Mac Studio right here. I was expecting it to be like the Mac Mini, but this is unlike anything I've looked at. Let me try opening it up from here. Okay, and it just slides outside like this. Wow, this is beautiful engineering. My first experience, I just love it. Look at this. This is a beast of a machine. I'm going to use it for editing all of my videos. The next few videos that you'll see will be edited on this machine itself. I don't even have words to say about this. So this has the Thunderbolt ports. It also has the Type-C USB ports. It also comes with a RJ45 Ethernet cable. It comes with the power input. It has these two normal USB ports, has the HDMI and the rare port right here, the headphone jack, and then the button to turn it on. You don't have to turn it around and then turn it on like you have with the Mac Mini, but this is the Mac Studio itself. Okay, you have more ports in the front as well. You also have a SD card slot and light and some more ports over here. Let me put this right here. Wow, this machine is beautiful from the back and the front as well. This is insane. The fun part about this stand is that you can turn it around in any way that you want. This is how you take it up, you bring it down, you swivel it around. Okay, let's turn on this Mac Studio finally by pressing this button right here. Okay, so it is lighting up right there. I could hear the sound. By the way, this Studio display comes with an inbuilt 12 megapixel wide camera, meaning you can literally have stuff here and you can get it to record stuff from there itself. So this is basically the unboxing and the new desk setup. And I honestly have no words. I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to work every single day on this setup now from today, and I'm really excited about it. This was the setup. This was the unboxing. I think the best investments I've made have been the investment I've made in my systems, in my devices. I bought my first MacBook Air M1 in January of 2021. And till this date, there are editors in my company who are using it and editing videos every single day on it. They're making reels on it. I bought the Mac Mini M1 and it is working super well, helping me edit all of my videos. But now this Mac Studio is going to deliver phenomenal performance. I think it's going to be at least 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I don't even know how fast is this going to be compared to the Mac Mini. But this is basically the setup. I think it's very important for you to level up your setup, your systems, your display, your laptop, your home setup as you're growing in your career. Because the best display and the best setup and the best CPU is going to allow you to get no limitations You will absolutely have everything that you need, and you will never be limited by the system or by the specs of it. And I think that is the best thing you can do for your career. You want to switch from 3D design to AI, you can do that. You want to switch from AI to maybe video editing, you can do that. Having a system that allows you to explore anything that you want is the best thing you can do for yourself and for your career in 2025. That, my friends, was the unreal unboxing experience of this setup. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.